1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5.
Hi guys,
Budget Queen here with another episode.
and today we're gonna be giving you a skincare secret that's gonna take your skincare game from 0 to 100.
And this is the Korean secret.
Yeah,
It's the actual Korean secret.
and you know Korean skincare is like the truth.
So this is a all natural budget friendly tip
Yeah.
on how to get glowy skin, literally. So basically, drum roll please.
The
Rice water. Okay, so a few days back I boiled rice for my mom and I preserved some rice water. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I iced it, and then I was going for the island block party and I needed to like prep my skin the night before. So why are you doing this?
We're going to tell the story.
I have to tell them.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Anyways, I prepped my skin, and when I had my bath that morning, I used the rice water. I cut like a slice. It was blocked, and I put it on my face for a while. When it's icing, like I just had my bath, so my pores opened up. The rice was able to sink in. The rice water was able to sink in. Then I applied my skincare, and so the next morning I was glowing. Like
I swear.
I called her the morning.
I was like 18 days.
And I never bathed that.
I've never seen her go like that. It was mad. Like I didn't know she's going now.
It's a Korean skin.
It's a secret. Like if you want glass skin, you want glowing skin that would walk like this, like immediately.
And that's just
You understand?
this is literally just rice water. It's raw. If you want like premium results with rice water for glowy skin, like you need the rice water in your life. Most times people use rice flour with honey, green tea and lemon, and then they make a paste. Your skin will glow. Like your skin, like right now my skin is glowing. I did this last night till now.
I will even do this night.
No, I'm going to share my rice water with you. Anyways, it didn't cost much, and my skin was glowing, and I'm so sure you guys are going to testify with me when you try rice water.
So she's gonna be telling you how she made this step by step, just so you know how to make this rice water, and it's awesome. Take our word for it. I mean,
so basically, what I did, I parboiled the rice, and then when I sieved it, and I kept the water in a bowl, I let it cool, because when it cools, you see this white thinning, and then you see the water up. The white ferments of the rice would settle down. Am I speaking English?
No, it's good.
And to settle down, and then you have to pour the other water out. Then use the white fermented rice particles, I guess. Okay, I think this is hard. So basically, I let it stay in the fridge for 2 days before I started using it, because I needed it to really ferment. It needed to ferment. That's the secret. Fermentation. Yo. And then I started putting it, and yes, it did have a awful smell because it was in the fridge, and my mom started complaining, "Did you really put rice in me? I'm sorry, experiment." But yeah, it was good, and I'm even shocked that
it doesn't. It actually smells.
It smells okay,
nice, right now.
actually.
Yeah.
But like it's rice water, and it's not just only for skin. They use it for their hair as well. That's why they have really nice shiny hair. But yeah, if you want premium results with this rice water, you should apply. You should pour it with honey, green tea, and lemon. Squeeze it into the rice water, mix it, and refrigerate it.
Did you mix anything with this?
No, I didn't. This is just
the
pure.
plain one.
This is just plain.
Okay, so guys, if you don't have all that, you can just do this one, and it will still work the very same way.
Yes, make sure you have like the way we use just ice cubes on our faces before we apply our skincare products. It's best to just use iced rice water.
Nice.
I just
not only will it open your pores, it will also enter the pores.
Yes, and then when you have rub. You use it to massage your face. So let me say good. It's not like you just rub it. You massage it. It's very cold. Then you rinse it off. Then you use it. Once you show, I have skincare on my face right now, and I told you I've been doing my skincare once, and this.
You did tonight.
And it's not ice like.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, see. You guys owe me. You owe me a skincare. Okay, so
guys, this is what you do at night. At night, before your night skincare routine, like before you do your nighttime skincare routine, you apply the rice water when it's iced already on your skin like this. How does it feel? So cold, right?
Yeah, it's so cold. My hands. Oh, stinky smell. Stinky smell. Oh. Okay, guys, it's so cold actually.
And you start seeing the results that day, and even till the next day. Even if you don't apply it again, you just wake up glowing. Do you understand? Let me see. Okay, then you wash your face. Yeah, go and wash it.
I'm gonna stay for a while.
Okay.
For like premium glow.
Okay, so how long would you let it stay?
I'm just going to wash it off.
Okay, but normally how long do you let it stay?
5 minutes.
Yes, so you let it stay for 5 minutes before you wash it off, and then after you wash it off, you then continue with your skincare routine. I saw her do that, then I was like, what is this one doing? But the next day, I was like, what if I have to do it tonight in my own skincare?
No, I'm not sharing my rice water.
Well, guys, so basically, you know how you boil your rice normally. You wash your rice the way you always wash it, and then you parboil the rice. So the water you would not see from the parboiled rice, that's what you're gonna use here. You leave it for 2 days. 2 days you get to ferment and let it block. Then you apply it on your face in the night before you start your nighttime skincare routine. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then you wash it off. And trust me, you're gonna thank us later, because this gives you an instant glow. Welcome.
Thank you, guys. So now that I have my skincare off my face, this is just pure water dripping. I'm gonna let it air dry. I look nice, right?
Yeah, you look nice.
Thanks. It's like an instant something. Anyway, you guys, so yeah, that's it.
So, yeah, basically that's it. You know how to use rice water properly for your instant glow. If you're just tuning in, or if you're just seeing us for the first time, then you know what to do, babies. Like, subscribe, comment, everything. Tell us your results. Tell us if you tried it, how it feels, everything. We want to hear. Ask us questions. We're definitely gonna answer you. And please subscribe. I mean, it really won't take it.
Yeah, and like we give you guys like really good.
Yeah, we give you premium content, right? So
it's the least.
Do what you gotta do. Okay, so thanks
you guys
for watching.
Put iced rice water on my face. You have to subscribe. My skincare.
This is good, because then you just have to start your nighttime routine.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys.
Okay, guys. So with that, Budget Queens out.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Just so you guys can see up close.
Wait a minute. Is this Odumodu? This is Odumodu. Oh my god, this is my jam. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm just gonna quickly, like, okay. Be like Declan Rice. Be like Declan Rice. Anytime I come, I go push them to the curb. Smack them, push them to the Ebelebe stunner. Now maybe their father. I go Abuja. I left my mother. Her. No, I don't leave my mommy, because, yeah. What he said.